Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're still out here, we're still looking through these flooded cars because it's flooded season. You know, it's that time of the year. Why not, guys? We're doing the legwork, we're coming out to the yard. We're still here in Kentucky, checking out these flooded cars. So next on our list, F-150. Everybody loves a good old truck. I mean, even if it's water damage, it's not a big deal because a great work truck is nice to have. So as long as everything works, not a big deal. So let's check it out, see what we got.
I mean, so far it looks clean.
Yeah, I can see a little bit of mud on the run board, but that's fine. You know, mud goes there anyway, so that's not a big deal on that.
I mean,
Let's scan it.
88,000 miles is listed not as a not run and drive.
We got a 4x4. Everybody likes a 4x4. It's not a 4-door, kind of a downer, but overall not bad.
That's the water line right there on the door, not too bad. Still got the sticks and the mud. The interior looks clean though, like it maybe barely came out. Seats look good, smells good. What are you thinking, Michael?
Not bad. I mean, 2014, it doesn't say run and drive, so let's see what's going on with that, but pure sale, so whatever the final bid is, that is what it is. Let's see if we can pop the hood and see what's going on. Did you check the fuses underneath the seat?
Fuses look good.
Wow, that's nice. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't be a run and drive if the fuses are good, not that much water inside. I'll pop the hood, see what's going on. That smells good in here. I mean, I see a little bit of water in, but the floorboards, you know,
I mean, the
fine.
seats or the interior looks clean.
Yeah, who knows?
Wow, look at that.
Oh boy, dang.
Look at that, it had water.
Wow.
Still has nests of water.
Dang, it's hard to see because the top looks fine, but then when you like just look a little deeper.
I think we should pass it. I mean, it still looks like it's full of it. We don't want anything mechanical damage. Just even look at that. The radiators, fans are still full of it.
You got a full tree in here. Man, I'm gonna check the oil though, just in case. I mean, it could be cosmetic, you know, so it's maybe, maybe not, maybe, but overall, oil looks good. Not bad. I wouldn't say it's milky, it's a little, it could be brand new oil, so it's hard to say. I don't really want to try to start it.
But this has a 3.7 in it. It's not the 5.0.
Yeah.
Like we like to get. So.
And I do see a lot of water, oil around those right there. So.
Let's keep going.
Yeah. Hopefully there's still plenty of fish in the sea. Hopefully. But I mean, honestly, 1,000 cars. I'm doing 100 a day, going through them. We only found a handful so far that we want to play on. But who knows? There's still future sales, so we'll keep an eye on it. Let's keep going. Let's keep digging. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see. Ooh. Dang, this one looks clean, but it don't smell clean, and you can see the cluster is just covered in dirt, even though the seats look good.
I mean, did you see the water line?
Wow,
it's total, like to your head.
Total flood, but look at the interior, come check it out. I mean, it doesn't look that bad inside.
But look at the cluster though.
Yeah, wow, my eyes burn.
Let's keep going.
That can't be good.
That.
Next, like we said before, Copart could be a gold mine or a land mine. So you just got to keep going and keep an eye out, see what you, oh, what's that? Dang.
Look at that Mercedes.
Wow, SUV Mercedes.
Hey, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Ooh, it's fine, I haven't got a big budget, right? Just take it.
I'm saying it might be bad.
But it's a run and drive. Water flood, 2020.
I mean, the headlights are clean.
Yeah.
The last Mercedes we checked out, the headlights were full of water.
27,000 miles on it. It's a run and drive. I don't see any lights coming on the dash, so there's no power, so my seats won't work.
But does it smell good?
It's like mixed feelings, you know? Not bad. It's not a brand new Mercedes smell, but not a crazy mold smell, so.
Pop the hood.
Let's see if I pop the hood. Where's this thing?
So far, it looks pretty good.
How's the hood? Is it like the F-150, just completely covered in stuff? Or?
No, it's much better.
Wow.
So, no dipstick, but that looks pretty good.
Not bad.
I mean, somebody already started it. It's already running drive, so let's put some power to it.
Yeah, make sure all the lights are good and stuff like that, so why not? Let's check it out. All right. Now we got power. I can see the Mercedes-Benz. I mean, check out this cluster, Ivan. This thing is,
Is it bigger than the one we did for our dad?
This is definitely cooler.
Wow.
Uh-oh, look at that. That's not good. That's what happens for a flooded Mercedes.
See if the seats move.
Okay. It's actually not down here because Mercedes is a lot cooler.
It's on the door.
Nothing. But maybe I gotta put power to it. So it starts.
It started. The seat does move?
No, only one runner is moving, so it's kind of tweaking out. Just like the screen, same thing with that. I'm just gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna pass, because the Mercedes, that definitely got water inside, even though it doesn't smell that bad, but like I said, it was a 50-50. Kind of what my seat's doing. I'm literally going 50-50, so one motor's working, one motor's not working.
I mean, remember all the electronics we had to do on our dad's car?
Yeah.
That was not fun. That wasn't even flooded.
It's not even flooded, and we still have a lot of electronic issues. This doesn't make any sense. So even though it's brand new, I mean, we still check it out, because if it's not flooded, you know, nobody really wants to buy a flooded Mercedes because of all electric issues, because we bought that Audi one time, it was flooded. All we had to do was replace a fuse, and it was good to go. So sometimes you could win, sometimes you could lose. So this one, we're gonna pass.
I mean, it's a nice looking car, but let's keep going.
Yeah, hopefully there's more. I read a ride, looks good, but then I see a lot of damage. So like I said, there's a lot of mix going on. Like I said, if you guys didn't watch the other episodes, we're just going through the yard, trying to find something that is not really flooded, but it says it's flooded, so we get a good deal on it.
We're looking for light floods.
Light floods, something just like a little bit of water. Came in, came out, solid car, because you could find a lot of good deals. I remember back in the day, maybe 5 years ago, when we had a big flooding in South Carolina, Columbia, they rented out a sub lot, and there were so many cars. They just salvaged them out because of the area where the flood had happened. And we were just going car to car. We found a lot of good deals, and that's where it sparked our interest to get into flooded cars, I would say, about what, probably even more than 5 years ago, right, Ivan? We've been doing this for a while. Yeah. I mean, we've been to Texas, we've been to, what other states? Pennsylvania, New York, Texas again, Kentucky, North Carolina had a lot of flooded cars. Kind of once a year, there's a flooded season. It varies on the state. Louisiana we did, for sure. But yeah, now we're here in Kentucky. Let's go find some more good cars. Is this a flood or is this damage?
I think it's wrecked.
Wrecked?
Look at front end.
Front end, yep.
Not today, right?
Nope. Which is fine, but not what we're looking for right now. Dang, over 1,000 cars that have been salvaged out, flooded, came to this area. So about 3 hours from here was where it happened, all the crazy rainstorm. So it's nice that it's fresh water, not salt water, because salt water is sitting there, will start corroding electronics like crazy. I mean, honestly, anything you put in salt water starts corroding. You got to wash it off with fresh water. So if you can find yourself a nice fresh water one that's not that bad, you can find some good deals. Wow, guys, that's crazy. So I went through another 100 cars, basically, this side, that side, and didn't really find anything potentially good. So we just opened the door, you see water like crazy already. So we know the seats are locked up and there's definitely a lot of water inside, and we just kind of pass. Like I said, we're trying to find those ones that are worth our time to just get quick flip in and out. And honestly, something that's easy for anybody to do, just get it, clean it, and you're good to go. So that's what we're looking for.
Well, maybe replace a couple little things, but nothing severe, nothing that has to be, programmed or anything like that.
Yeah.
So something we can, do pretty easy. But I mean, if we do a big project, it has to be something that's worth it, not
100%.
Those little cars where we spend so much time and energy and then there's no profit to be made.
Yeah, because this is what we do full time. Sometimes we do have to swap an engine here and there, but we're trying to stay away from that and just keep going. So this side's nothing really. So let's go ahead and check out the other side, maybe that back lot, because there's flooded cars everywhere. Let's find them. Just taking a stroll. Copart lane, looking at flooded cars. Hopefully find some good ones. Ooh, what's that? All right, guys, so check out this 2022 Ford Bronco. I mean, I don't know too much about them, but hey, 2022, I'm sure it's still worth high dollar. There's a lot of different varieties for the Broncos. This might be the base model, might have some aftermarket stuff. It says Outer Banks. I don't know if that's a good one or...
Some kind of edition. It's convertible though, right?
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I like it for sure. 4-door. I mean, this thing's...
And where's the water line?
Awesome. So it's upcoming lot, future sale, water flood.
And there's the water line right there. So right to your knees, right to the seats.
Right.
It's still got power. It's got this blue interior.
It says run and drive, so that's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yep, the windows go down right away. That's nice. A little splash here and there, but hey, I'm sure these things are made to go off-road as well, right?
They should, because I always heard these things actually leak. The roof leaks.
No way.
From factory, so.
Wow, that's crazy.
I like the color though. It's almost like the color of the side-by-side.
Yeah, that'd be sweet to pull the side-by-side with this thing. Man.
Let's go see if we can get this thing started. No, let's pop the hood, check the oil.
Yep. Let's
See
do
what
that
engine
first.
it has in it, and go from there. Ooh, it's got the 3.5 EcoBoost.
Nice.
This is the big boy engine.
Oh yeah. I mean, for a flood, that's not the best because
Turbos.
yeah, but we'll see. Hopefully it didn't get that high. Hopefully it didn't get inside the engine or anything. Man, it looks brand new. I mean, 2022, basically no miles on it. It's got a dipstick, like the Mercedes. That's nice.
Oil looks good.
Man, there's a lot going on. You think there'd be like an engine cover or something, right? Got it.
Got it. So let's go ahead and
Surprise, right? You think something, but it's kind of bare bones right there. But yeah, let's go ahead and crank it over and see what it does. Ooh, nice. America, Mustang.
That's pretty
Bronco,
cool.
look at that thing.
Big cluster.
Big
It's got
old-
power seats?
Thanks.
No, it doesn't.
No way. So it must be the base model or something, but I did not see that coming. I mean, it feels nice, looks awesome. I don't see a check engine light. I don't see any lights in the dash, so that's really good. Because sometimes run and drive doesn't really, I mean, it's run and drive, but there'll be so many issues with it. But this one seems pretty sweet. Let's see if all the windows work. Make sure all electronics, CD player, CD player.
It's looking
and
pretty good,
stuff.
Michael. It just depends how much it goes for, right?
Yeah, heated seats, heated steering wheel, so it definitely got some options for sure. Man, 2,000 miles on it. This thing's brand new. All my auxiliary switches.
All right, we got to keep going. Let's keep finding the good deals.
This is definitely a good deal. I mean, like I said, it depends on the final sticker price kind of thing, but I wouldn't say it's flood at all. I don't smell any flood. I want to check underneath the seats, make sure everything's good there, but everything seems like it's working good. No corrosion. Checking all the fuses. All right, guys, this Bronco is honestly really nice. Definitely gonna make it on the list for our criteria. Run and drive, no corrosion underneath the seats, everything's working on it. Yeah, pretty sweet. Definitely probably a higher sticker price, but hey, why not? We'll definitely watch it play, see what this thing goes for.
Let's keep it shopping.
Let's keep going, maybe we'll find some other cool cars. Dang, what is this thing? One of them Mustangs for sure.
I like the color though. It's
Yeah.
like a plum purple.
It says total flood on it, but just see what kind of engine it has in there. Oh boy.
Ooh, our neighbor would love this.
Dang.
Washer fluid's full or coolant's full. It's definitely a flood. But I mean, how much electronics does this thing have?
Can't be that much, honestly.
It just needs a, nice clean. It's a manual.
Dang.
Wow. I don't know if
Wow.
this is a fastback style, but like kind of weird roof looking.
The
Mach
front's
1.
kind of strange, but yeah, fastbacks are definitely worth money, right? So V8, I mean,
Comment down below what thing is actually worth.
ooh, but check out the inside. I mean, that
It
is
is.
that is a total flood for sure. Wow.
Okay, let's go find the good ones, not these
Yeah,
kind.
yeah. Liz.
Hopefully Ruben edits that out. Our first Corvette flooded.
Look at all the fun cars over here. Mustangs, Acuras, Focus RS probably.
It is.
Maybe ST. That's RS.
Look at that headlight. Ooh.
Oh boy. Yeah,
No, thank
pass. Just gonna hard pass. Look at the oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Wow. That guy got flooded.
So we got a
This-
nice TSX, got wrecked.
Brembo brakes?
Yeah, and this thing's all-wheel drive.
No way, RS.
It's not a run and drive anymore. Look at that sparkles in it.
Wow.
Oh, it smells.
Dang. So sad. Such a nice car, definitely a fun car to have, but what are you gonna do? Man, so many cars. Like we said, 1,000 flooded cars plus all the other cars they had before. And so we got ourselves some of these cool trucks right here. It's not really heavy, but it's like the nice flooded ones, I guess, get lifted. But you could tell right away by the glass front windshield if they're really flooded. So that's just a pass. Not even worth looking into, really. Yeah, all these are pretty bad. It's a nice looking F-150 though. Rolls. Don't know what that means, but it's definitely flooded. But being lifted so high, you think it would be so bad, but the water line, wow. Let's see if we get these doors open, check it out inside. $50-50. Definitely smells something. So it was flooded, cleaned out probably. Yeah. Yeah, right there, that's where the main fuse box would be, and you can tell there's a lot of water there. So that's where all the corrosion would be, so your main computer has to be replaced, your wire harness, fuse box, all that has to be reprogrammed. That's a big deal. Ivan's out there looking for more, just scoping out the area, trying to find some good deals. Yeah, the windshield's all watered down. Man, this interior looks awesome, but flooded for sure. Water lines got real high. High country, but not high enough on this one. Dang. That is just caked on there, guys. Wow. Check that out. That is unreal. Not too bad, but still water in the cup holder. Great park cars for sure. Sorry guys, just rushing through. It's about the end of the day, about to close. Ooh, look at this thing. Dang, definitely come back to that. Just look at it real quick. Oh yeah, that's bad. Moving on. Camaro SS, pretty nice. So many cars. Range Rovers, Mercedes, GMC, doesn't matter. Water gets it, it's done. Well, hopefully not. Yeah, some of them are maybes, you're like, oh, pretty cool. And then you open the door. That is insane. You can tell with the shadows, but it's just a whole another layer just caked on there of muddy water. It's like stuff that's been down in a river. Yeah, parts cars. You can't even tell from the outside. Wow. All right, guys, so there are still rows and rows of cars, but man, I am getting exhausted. We've been going at it since the morning, all day, nonstop. Open doors, closed doors, underneath, check fuses, check around. I'm getting tired of smelling flooded cars. Woo, can't be good, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to get a good deal sometimes. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Hopefully we'll pick some up and then we'll experience getting these things home, taking them apart, fixing them, and basically selling them. So if you want to see the full process, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. We are going to pick some up for sure, doing all this leg work. We want some of these flooded cars, but let us know if you like these type of videos, these Copart walkarounds, flooded series. Why not? We appreciate all the support, guys. Can't do it without you. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and we'll catch you next time.